Take a ride in the 2013 Pathfinder. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one overhead console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.